Experian Boost costs $0 to use in 2026. And it can add eligible utility, phone, streaming and rent payments to your Experian credit file without charging a monthly fee. That makes it one of the cheapest credit building tools available because the cost is literally zero. By the end of this, you'll know what Experian Boost actually does, where the hidden trade-offs are, and whether it's worth using. Here's the direct answer. Experian Boost is free. No annual fee. No setup fee. No subscription fee just to connect your accounts. That's the main appeal. Instead of giving you a credit card or loan, it scans linked bank accounts for recurring bill payments like Netflix, cell phone bills, electricity, and sometimes rent. If those payments qualify, Experian can use them in your Experian credit report. That can help your score. But only on Experian. That's the first thing people miss. Section 1. What it costs. Money-wise, nothing. But the trade-off is data access. You have to link your bank account and let Experian analyze your payment history. That's the real exchange. Free service for financial data access. If that bothers you, that's the real cost. Section 2. How much can it help? Experian says Boost can help users with thin credit files or limited payment history. But there's no guaranteed score increase. Some people see movement. Some don't. It depends on whether the added accounts improve your profile. That's why it works best as an add-on, not a full strategy. Section 3. What it doesn't do. Boost doesn't create a credit line. It doesn't give you spending power like cards from Capital One or Discover. It also doesn't build installment history like Self Financial. It only strengthens the file you already have. That's an important difference. Quick recap. Adi. Experian Boost is free in 2026. There are no annual or monthly fees. The trade-off is linking your bank data. The value is potentially adding positive payment history to your Experian report. Your next step is simple. Connect one checking account with your regular bill payments and see what qualifies. If this helped you understand the real cost, like the video and subscribe.